doesn't exist. What lies beneath the phantom matrix? Illumination, light is information. All vibration, breaking free, synthetic lives and imitation. All this time out of place, somewhere somehow beyond illumination, and I still see your face. Don't leave me now. This world belongs to you and I. It's only the truth I see. Forgive me, for I can only speak in silence. You most love me, trying to keep a secret, hide it in your mind.